Here's a shocking truth. Most car engines don't die from old age. They die from neglect. While the average car barely makes it to 100,000 miles, there are engines out there cruising past 400,000, even 500,000 miles, running smooth as the day they rolled off the line. What's their secret? It's not some expensive rebuild or miracle additive. It all comes down to how you handle one simple thing: your oil changes. Today, I'm sharing the tricks mechanics don't always tell you, the ones that can literally add decades to your engine's life. If you want to keep your car running forever and save thousands on repairs, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Trust me, you'll want to catch every tip we share on this channel. All right, let's get into it. Changing oil when your engine is cold is like trying to pour cold honey. Most of it just sticks to the sides. That leftover sludge immediately contaminates your fresh oil. What to do? Run your engine for 5 to 10 minutes before draining. Warm oil flows like water, carrying away microscopic metal shavings, soot, and burnt deposits that would otherwise stay behind. This one habit dramatically reduces sludge buildup, which is why engines maintained this way often cruise past 500,000 miles. Most drivers have never heard of a crush washer, but this tiny metal ring on your drain plug creates a perfect seal. After one use, it flattens and loses its effectiveness. Mechanics often reuse them to save time, leading to slow leaks and oil starvation that slowly kills your engine. Many drain plugs are magnetic, designed to catch metal particles. If you never clean them, those shavings get dumped back into your fresh oil. It's like brushing your teeth but never cleaning your toothbrush. Replace the crush washer and wipe the drain plug clean at every oil change. Takes 1 minute, prevents major problems. Topping off oil between changes is normal, but mixing different brands or viscosities is a hidden engine killer. Even if oils meet the same grade on paper, their additive packages can clash and reduce protection. Stick with the same brand, type, and viscosity. If you're running Mobil 15W30, always top off with Mobil 15W30. Not just any 5W30. Think of it like taking consistent vitamins instead of randomly mixing supplements. This keeps your oil chemistry stable and your engine friction-free. Yes, modern synthetic oils claim 10,000 to 15,000 miles of protection. But waiting until the absolute maximum is like walking a tightrope with no safety net. Better approach: change every 5,000 miles with synthetic. You're building in a safety buffer. Fresh detergents, fresh additives, maximum protection. It's like charging your phone at 30% instead of waiting until it hits 1%. Over hundreds of thousands of miles, this habit drastically reduces wear. High-mileage Toyota, Honda, and Ford owners who hit 500,000 miles swear by never stretching their intervals. Instead of just draining oil, remove stubborn sludge and varnish with a gentle flush. Add half a quart of fresh oil right before draining. The cleaner oil mixes with the dirty oil and helps flush more contaminants out. Some people use dedicated engine flush additives, but don't overdo it. A gentle rinse is all you need. It's like swishing water before brushing your teeth. You're loosening debris. Engines that are pre-flushed regularly build far less sludge, keeping oil channels clear and ensuring maximum lubrication for decades. Here's something almost nobody does. Catch your old oil in a clean pan and examine it before disposal. What to look for: color and thickness, metallic sparkles under light, bearing wear, burnt smell, overheating. This is like reading your engine's blood test. These early warnings let you fix small issues before they destroy the engine. This monitoring trick is a secret weapon for pushing engines beyond average lifespans. Many people wait until their next oil change to deal with low levels. Big mistake. Running even half a quart low reduces oil pressure and circulation, starving critical parts like the crankshaft and camshaft. Check your dipstick every 1,000 miles and top off immediately when needed. Think of it as drinking water throughout the day instead of waiting until you're dehydrated. Engines that never run low on oil simply don't wear as fast. This alone can add 100,000 plus miles to your engine's life. Not all oils are created equal. Premium full synthetic oils offer superior resistance to heat, oxidation, and breakdown compared to conventional or semi-synthetic options. Key benefits: flow better at cold starts, when most wear happens. Maintain viscosity under extreme heat. Protect turbos, pistons, and bearings when pushed hard. Top-tier oils like Mobil 1, ANCEL, or Castrol Edge cost more up front, but engines running on quality synthetics have cleaner internals, stronger compression, and far fewer failures over decades. This is one of the biggest reasons some engines last 500,000 miles without rebuilds. When you install a new oil filter, it's bone dry inside. That means when you start the car, the engine runs for several seconds without proper oil flow while the filter fills up. Those few seconds cause 80% of engine wear. Metal grinding against metal with zero lubrication. Pour fresh oil into your new filter before installing it. Now when you crank the engine, there's already a reservoir of oil ready to circulate instantly. This simple step separates engines that fail at 180,000 miles from the rare ones that last over 500,000. Your positive crankcase ventilation valve is often forgotten, but it plays a massive role in oil health. A clogged PCV causes pressure buildup, forcing oil past seals and contaminating it with blow-by gases. This dirties your oil faster and leads to sludge formation. Check or clean the PCV valve at every oil change. It keeps crankcase pressure under control and your oil cleaner for longer. It's like keeping your lungs clear. You breathe better. Engines with clean PCV systems stay far healthier internally and are much more likely to last beyond 500,000 miles. Most drivers underestimate how dangerous it is to overfill or underfill oil. Reduces oil pressure, starving the bearings. Running too high causes the crankshaft to whip the oil into foam, reducing lubrication and increasing heat. Both situations lead to catastrophic engine failure over time. Check carefully and fill to the proper line every single oil change. This habit ensures your engine always runs with maximum protection. A practice shared by high-mileage car owners worldwide.